Hey, what's up guys? This is Yang. Now I'm going to teach you a tutorial on how to create this escalator pattern, the one on the right. So I did this 3D model back during my foundation study at Management and Science University. That was in 2017, a long time ago. And now I'm going to teach you how to create this pattern. See? Is this one. Okay. So let's start a new file. So you got a cube, and then you press tab to go into edit mode. Or you can also select here. I mean, you can switch the mode, but tab is the shortcut. It is more efficient. Then you press S for scale, and then X to constrain by the X-axis. And then you can scale by pressing the number, or you can also just drag like this and then left click to accept change. So if you just press 5, and then left click, accept change. And then hover your mouse over here, and then Ctrl+R to add this loop cut. Then mouse scroll to increase the loop count. Add more loop count. Okay, got it. Then you can change the selection mode to edge, face, or you can also press the keyboard 1, 2, 3. So 3, face, 2, edge, 1, vertex. Okay, and then now you go to edge selection while holding alternate, left click here to select the whole edge here. And then you'll press F3 to search for checker deselect. So if you checker deselect. While holding shift is for multi-selection. And then combine it with alternate to select it like this. See? And then once again press F3, search for edge ring. So you have selected this pattern. And then press alternate E. Look for extrude faces along normals like this. So we don't want this pattern. This extra pattern is destroy the shape. So Ctrl Z. Then go to wireframe mode. Go to front view by pressing 1 on your numpad. Box selection by pressing B. Drag your mouse. And then while holding shift, if you deselect the selected part. And the reason why we are doing this in wireframe mode is because you can select through the edges. You can select the edges at the back as well. Or deselect. So B, hold shift, deselect this, and go back to solid mode by pressing this. This is wireframe, solid mode. Or you can also press Z, the shortcut. And then alternate E. Or you can also use F3. What's the name? Hold on. What's the name again? Alternate E. Extrude faces along normals. Okay. F3, extrude faces along normals. Yeah, do you see that? How convenient it is to use F3 to search for something. And there you go. You have created a pattern. And the reason why we are using this extrude faces along normal is because it maintains the nice shape for the escalator. If you use the normal extrude, which is just E or alternate E and extrude faces, this is the normal extrude faces. And then right click to release and then scale it. If you destroy the shape, you see? So we don't want this. So just Ctrl Z to undo. Ctrl Z to undo and then Ctrl Shift Z to redo. You see? Okay. So once again, extrude along normals. Left click to accept change. So the visual is not clear due to the lighting. So you can go to shading and then activate shadow and cavity. Usually I select both because it looks nice. Then go to modifier, add array, set x to 0, then y and z to 1, then increase the count. Okay, and there's a hole here. To make it look nicer, you can adjust the value. So left click hole to adjust the value, and then left click hole while holding shift to adjust it, to make minor adjustment, like it will be more smooth. You see? And you see? There you go. Ta-da! Good job. You have just created the escalator. And you can make some fine changes if you want to by selecting it. Go to edit mode, pressing tab. Select all, pressing A. You press A to select all. Then scale S, Z, lock by the Z axis. And just want to create the escalator shape. Okay, got it? So congratulations, you have just successfully created the escalator shape, the pattern. If you guys like my tutorial, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And see you guys. Have a nice day.